being the first person at every theme park. This is kind of a smaller channel, so should be a fun video.
I heard that there's people who camp outside theme parks to be the very first guest, so I'm gonna give it a try.
But Disney tickets are expensive, so
Dude, theme parks are fantastic. Where the rides are fun, people are usually in a good mood most of the time, or there's a fight and it's super fun to watch. Oh man, just everyone else being there also is just too much. And then you want to be the first one in that pack? Hell no. I don't know. No, not for me. I'm not a rope
anything
jumper.
that might go wrong.
we can't have you guys out here.
We were so close. And so this challenge began. Starting off at SeaWorld Orlando. This theme park opens at 9 a.m. So we showed up at 7:30 for that.
I bet a hell of people get arrested trying to do stuff like this. Trying to be super. Was it rope jumper? Why am I thinking rope jumper? I'm keeping with rope jumper.
These are park
Because it doesn't matter.
Too dressed up.
No, I get dressed up for SeaWorld though.
Oh yeah, you do dress and drip.
I'm so dripped out, they call me SeaWorld. I'm so dripped out, the ladies call me SeaWorld.
Alright, skip a little bit, just a little bit.
Is that once we get in the gate, we need to ask an employee what their favorite ride is. Whatever they say that ride is the ride that we have to ride.
I swear. They're gonna say.
Okay, I feel like this is kind of extra stuff.
That was crazy. Everyone wants to be #1 in the park.
You know, I'm freezing. I don't mind not being #1.
Christian's head wasn't in the game.
I'm cold.
That all changed once he saw how many people lined up
looks
to be
cold.
#1 in the gate. But with us at the front, it was just a matter.
They all look very similar.
That all-
There's like a type of person that goes.
How many people lined up to be #1 in the gate? But with us at the front, it was just a matter of waiting till the clock strikes 9.
I can't believe how many people are waiting.
Security let us through, but
As predicted, he got stopped by security.
Do you think they're just trying to like have the day be efficient to go so early? Like why go so early? Is it so you can spend the maximum amount of time there? I don't know.
I found out Christian speaks fluent Spanish.
¿De dónde son?
Yo soy de Colombia.
Bienvenidos, señor.
We've been friends for almost a year, and that's just new to me.
Esa es lindo la chaqueta.
Oh, es un camisa.
Sí, está lindo.
Gracias.
I'm gonna claim the front
Wow.
spot in
How would you not know that? He must not be that good of a friend for you.
Do you like the fit?
This is huge. This is absolutely huge. All right. How's it going?
Dude, thank you so much. Dude, I gotta ask, what's your favorite ride at the park?
It gotta be Mako.
Mako. Okay, I appreciate it.
Oh, that dude looks like he's having the best time ever doing. Oh, hold up. He looks like he's having the best time ever doing this job. That's great. It seems like he's living for this.
Awesome, thank you.
Bro, we
Maybe
were
I'll
the
sit
first
over
ones
here
in
for a minute.
SeaWorld Orlando. You heard what he said though.
He said Mako.
He said Mako. That's what we're looking for.
Let's be the very first on Mako.
But getting into the park wasn't enough. We now knew what ride we needed to target, thankfully not a water ride, so we booked it to Mako. It's time to be the very first row on Mako. But we weren't the only ones trying to be
Wait, they got in. Oh, there was only like 10 minutes. 10 minutes before you got to the ride even? Holy
It was a
shit.
whole crowd. Pick up the pace, Christian. Dude, look, there's literally a car in the park. That's how early we are. We continued to power walk all the way to the entrance of the ride.
Dude, it's so big.
Oh no!
Should be opening up around 10.
I will wait. We're committed to riding this ride.
Because of
Damn, dude, the one time you go and are early and you. Damn, dude, the one time you go and are early and you get in and everything, and then, oh, that's so sad. That's so unfortunate.
what was the guy's name again?
Oh, I forgot that employee at the front. But for us to
Oh,
guarantee.
I bet he was like crushed. I mean, he kind of, well, not him. He looks like he's having a good time.
What was the guy's name again?
Oh, I forgot.
Like he really wanted to have that early experience of the ride, and now it's just delayed. Like he kicked his dog
the
or
very
something.
first on the ride, we had to wait right out front of it for an entire hour while they tested the ride. Look, there it is.
Oh, that was so
But finally, the employees
anticlimactic.
dropped the rope.
Thank you so much.
Oh, that was awful. I'm sorry. That kind of makes me want to move a little bit.
So we wasted no time.
We gotta book it. We gotta beat the quick queue people, dude.
We needed to beat everyone to the front of the roller coaster, no matter what it took.
Oh my god. We need front row. We need front row. Oh, I almost fell. Come on, Christian. Hurry up, Christian. We did it.
Then there was nothing else to do but get on the roller coaster.
All right, here we are. The very first ride of the day.
Oh, I bet so many people go on those rides with cameras. I haven't been to a theme park in too long, so that would bother me though. I feel like that would take me out of the experience a little bit.
T-shirt, look at you guys. You're better than me. I'm cold. Then we haven't even left the station
But
yet.
soon enough, they dispatched us, and it was time to climb the lift.
Oh, it's so cold.
Oh my god, we haven't even gone up the lift.
I know, it's only gonna be colder up there.
I don't like this.
What is this, SeaWorld? Where's SeaWorld? Shit weather like that? That's crazy.
Man, in
They're
this freezing
dedicated.
weather.
These are like the top 10% of rope jumpers right here that he's actually riding this with.
Then all we had left to do was leave the park. With one of
It seems so unbearable to do a roller coaster when it's freezing outside like that. That's awful. That doesn't even seem fun.
3 theme parks checked off of our rope drop list. But before we head over to Disney World, we have one more theme park. Fun Spot America. This theme park opens up at 2 p.m. So right after SeaWorld, we booked it to Fun. You're not a season pass holder? No. What are you doing, man? So when we got there, but after one successful rope drop, Christian wasn't gonna let anyone stop him from getting the other 2. This was serious, and we were locked in.
Like, you know, like we pushed them over and we were like, move. You know, we gotta be punching.
I feel like there's a lot of fluff to this, and this is so much longer. My cat. I don't know what else to say about this one. I think, yeah, yeah.